Welcome back, traders and investors, to a quick tutorial on top stock picks. Most investors start in the same place. They look at lists like the top 100 stocks, companies that have already made big moves. But the real question is, how do you find the next big move before it happens? That's where Barchart's Top Stock Picks comes in. Top Stock Picks is designed to surface new trade opportunities, not just stocks that already made large moves. Each night, Barchart runs a proprietary algorithm that scans the market for stocks that have just triggered a new buy or sell signal. These signals are based on the same technical indicators found throughout Barchart Opinion and trading signals, including moving average signals, momentum indicators, MACD crossovers, and relative strength strategies. Then, the system applies additional filters to identify signals that have historically outperformed the stock itself. Now, you may be familiar with these signals already, as they are found on pages like Top Trade Alerts and Trading Strategy pages, plus Barchart Opinion page using short-term to long-term indicators, and on New Recommendations page, giving you daily trading signals based on various strategies. But the signals for top stock picks are different. This isn't just a raw signal list. Each stock must meet specific criteria. The signal's 5-year performance must outperform the stock market's return. The win rate must be greater than 30%. Volatility must fall within a controlled range, typically between 10 to 100%. And the stock must trade above $2, and it must have at least 200 trading days of data to generate a full Barchart Opinion signal. This creates a filtered group of stocks, ready for you to review each day. At the top of the page, you'll find today's top stock pick. Below the featured pick, you'll see a full list of stocks that met the algorithm's criteria. Click Details to dive deeper into the ticker, and you'll see company background and sector information, the exact signal that triggered, the date and conditions of that signal, 5-year signal gain versus the 5-year market gain, key price ranges, and fundamental data. This gives you both the technical setup and the context behind the trade. And use the arrows on the side to quickly scan through the list and review multiple setups in seconds. Now back to the list. If there's a difference between the 5-year signal versus the market gain, or a win percentage that stands out to you, click the chart icon to see exactly where the signals were triggered. This allows you to visually confirm the entry point, the trend direction, and how price reacted after each signal from the past. This step is critical because no signal should be used in isolation. Another important column on this page is the win percentage column. This is where this tool really stands out. Each signal includes historical performance data based on hypothetical trades. So where exactly does that number come from? We can click directly into the Top Trade Alerts page for each ticker. Here, we can review the exact indicator that triggered the signal, along with additional details like the signal direction, signal date, and other technical data tied to this strategy. You can also use the drop-down menu to switch between previous historical signals and study how this strategy behaved during past market conditions. Now, let's go even deeper by clicking View Trade History. This is where Barchart calculates the historical performance behind the win percentage, shown on the Top Stock Picks page. The system uses hypothetical 100-share lot trades. A trade is entered when the signal triggers and exited when the signal reverses. From that, Barchart calculates total hypothetical profit or loss, number of trades, average trade performance, and overall performance versus the market. This gives you a way to evaluate the behavior of the signals over time, not just the current setup. Now, if we click back to Indicator Strategy, we can review the full list of technical strategies available for this symbol, along with the historical performance and hypothetical trade history for each individual indicator. Even though these signals are backtested, they're still hypothetical. Some trades perform well, others don't. So always combine these signals with additional analysis like Barchart Opinion, technical indicators, trend confirmations, and your own risk management strategies. The goal is to find high-quality candidates, then build a trading plan around them. Now, going back to the list, if you find a stock you like, click the plus icon to open more data, where you can quickly review Barchart Opinion, options data, key financial ratios, charts, and additional market information. If you like to trade options, you can see if each ticker has options available here. And from the links column, you can explore more data, add the stock to a watch list, set alerts, or include it into your investor portfolio. Plus, additional tools at the top right for screening, tutorials, flip charts, and download this data. You can also use the calendar to go back and review previous days. This allows you to study past signals, comparing performance of these signals on the chart, and better understand how different strategies behave over time. While most of this video was focused on buy signals, you can also switch to sell signals to find potential short opportunities. This gives you a more complete view of the market's direction and not just bullish setups. You can also click the checkbox here to find tickers where the signal underperforms the market to discover additional opportunities. But remember, these signals have historically underperformed the 5-year market gain, but it doesn't always mean the strategy is a losing one. And as a Premier member, you can also receive the full Top Stock Picks list or just the pick of the day delivered directly to your inbox after market close, just checking this box at the top. Now, a simple way to use Top Stock Picks daily is to start with the Top Stock Picks list. Review the signals and the historical performance, then send the list to the stock screener, where we can apply additional filters to find stocks that fit our own strategy. We can add data like RSI, market cap, volume, or bar chart trading signals and opinion indicators. This gives you a repeatable workflow for finding and refining opportunities every day. Sort this list by volume to find the most active trades, or RSI to find overbought or oversold conditions. Then use the flip charts to add your favorite chart templates and technical indicators for further analysis to find the perfect setup. So instead of chasing stocks that already moved, you can start with signals that have data behind them. And if you need more help, head to the Learn tab on the menu. Here, you'll find everything from site education, Options Learning Center, and video archives for more tutorials and guides to help you navigate the market on Barchart.com. And before you go, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And we'll see you for the next one.